Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
At a press conference held on the 26th of August 2022, the political wing of the Hynniewtrep Achik National Movement, Hanm, had made an appeal to the general public on voting for representatives to the upcoming state legislative assembly elections of 2023. Speaking to reporters, the chairman of the political wing of the Hanm, Lamprang had appealed and urged upon the general electorate of the state to wisely vote for visionaries and not merely politicians or businessmen who will be contesting the elections with vested interests. Kharbani said that a true representative of the people will always go all out to address issues that concern the well-being of not only the present generation but of posterity as well. He added that as per past experiences, contenders would always buy votes through momentary financial assistance to electorates prior to the elections, but on winning would ignore public pleas and demands. Lamprang Kharbani therefore appealed to the people of the state to wisely choose the representatives who are genuinely concerned about addressing issues that impact society and the state.
Nakaliang juga Hanm political wing. Karon kajing karpat red siya ki Shillong baik jongga jalan kerja berway. Dokumen sim jongga jing sokya kajing soret bat kajing sokit lam namta kari bat kelak beliau. Ni apil siya ki parang Shillong basno ba wat simram lopa suak election yo kajing dum karwan sinsar ya kejauh kajuni wat simram lopa suak election yo ba kajing dum kan sinsar ha kari kajuni habang itep ya kabot kajuni ngidai ban tep biya ubreu ne kabreu kabadon kathong bat kajing yu ijnai kathong bat ka vision kajongki na banta ka jala kum karoi kapar bat ban sna ya ki an ki baklan ki ban yada ya ka pateng ka ban sowan bat ki dei ban pentre kam hok ya ki skim sorkar na banta ki pajba bat ki dei ban ai jing khen manla ka financial year hadin bakut ka snam kum bale iba aran ba soyomot hagapo bdang long ko mule habashit habashai usam ya ki wokodar ya ki skim ha melan football pi beleng yong kumta namar ngaiken ni menor ngaiken ni yak menta ngimdai shu ban keno pang idong mikmat ni haban keno yang ki pat baru nama ngai ki pat ba menta kim su thu ya kador ya bakumno badya bakumno ban pha sing de ba fai ni peba mentah kan ga yam mentang i ba kam election ga kam tamasa ka kam yo kyat ai sisin sisnam ka kam yo ja ai sisin sisnam ba ka kam yele sobha ka ba sisin sisnam ka Hanm political wing nama kata islo pada kapor pan pensutu yo peba bakane ka statement jong ka Hanm political wing kalau kum sebentar kum ka awareness program nak banta ban pensutu Shillong be jong dak beliau bakane ka kam jit mi khmat ina ba to an ladai ka MP ha parlimen ladai Indobar jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kum jo ladai ha Indobar jong ka khasil tum sosial kam dai ka tamas kadai ka kam im kam yap ba kam ba kentang nama langi ki pajba bi langi Kenya kane ba kadai ka kam sobha sisim sansnem kakam ya sungsit senam kamut unom ikmat jumi ru lesai boleh job un sapenlong kum kam soba bat kawai kalong bala dangi ngin sutu ya kene ka dor jong ke jingjit ikmat kamu no ikmat lesai inda wa job uhaban penmi shwa ya ga jingut ya to ke jing ai sikin usnong ka kiat la shibata ne ka bam ne ka bai picnic kuda te kat ban un penmi ya to ke ba ulot lakot kasasna